Hello guys! What features enhance productivity on the Electra 2.0 evos Plus? During the development of Electra 2.0 evos Plus, our aim has been to achieve top performances in terms of effectiveness. To reach this very important target, we developed a new high-performance turbine, granting more than 30% increased suction speed, together with a consistent evolution of the complete suction nozzle and sweeping brush arms that allow a faster and more aggressive sweeping action whilst improving the robustness of all its components. On top, the introduction of a completely electrically operated management system of the side brushes provide to the operator an enhanced reach of the breeze, even in the most challenging circumstances. Can you believe all of this is possible maintaining an unbeatable working time? For more info, a demo, or just to be updated on our latest news, please catch up on our site, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course, Facebook.